Hi guys, welcome back to my channel Music and Tech. Again, this is Kevin. So we're almost there at the Grand Central Terminal. Yep, almost. So we walk all the way from Broadway until here, Grand Central Terminal. So I think we are already outside the building where the terminal is. And we're just trying to find the entrance. You will see here the Vanderbilt building, or also known as One Vanderbilt. So it's a 73-story super full skyscraper at the corner of 42nd and Vanderbilt Avenue. One of the tallest skyscrapers here in New York City. So interestingly, the Vanderbilts is actually a prominent family. It's an American family who gained prominence during the Gilded Age. Their success began with shipping and railroad empires of Cornelius Vanderbilt. Their business expanded to various other areas in the industry and philanthropy. So they're a very, very famous family here in the US. So if you see the Vanderbilt building, then you are just adjacent to the Grand Central Terminal. You have the MetLife building there. Yeah, we're just trying to find that entrance. And the last time that we were here in New York City, my niece brought us here to the Grand Central Terminal. Yep, we're here. It is one of the entrances here in the Grand Central Terminal. Central 45th Street. So we entered from that door along 45th Street. So let's see. So it's quite a lot of stairs going down, and I feel it's really warm here. I don't know, it seems like the AC is not on or something, but let's just go on and walk towards the Central Terminal. So it's a long passageway, you could see, really long. I wonder where is that going. So you can see the ticketing offices are there. We just need to go straight, but it's really, really warm here. It's not comfortable actually. I think if we enter from the other entrances here in the Grand Central Terminal, it should be not as bad. So the Grand Central Terminal actually, was built in 1903 to 1913. So it's quite a long time to build this terminal. So it's a terminal located at 42nd and Park in Midtown Manhattan. I think I'll pause here first. I'll see you in the next video. If you like this video, please click like, and then if you want to see my other videos, please do subscribe. Again, thank you so much for watching. Have a good day and goodbye.